Here we go, I've got a special modelling kit today. Really adorable, simply defined. Do you recognise this? And there's the box. Here's the book. You know, proper care, keeping your dolls safe. Now picture what you can do, you can make your locker. Like those bits here. Now it shows lots of extra bits just to make that realistic school. Where it says like a paper mache ball, you can get a ping pong ball. eBay do like this massive packs of ping pong balls and get petrol bouncers. Ping pong balls just need a parent mark and can stick your own design. And so you have the locker, you know, you put all out instructions and you tape or stick onto the tab. This will obviously be your base. This is a canvas for art class. You pop this out the middle, but you can use the card it comes with to make your fake books round, so you do have a lot of, you know, a lot of value from that. And here's your old mat. So there we have the mat.